Are you prepared if a disaster strikes? Hi, I'm Brittany Brooks from Hernando County Fire and Emergency Services Division of Emergency Management, and I'd like to talk to you about building a kit. Whether you shelter in place or evacuate, you should have these key items in your kit. First, water. Ideally, you want 3 gallons per person per day for drinking and hygiene purposes. Second, non-perishable food. This is food that you won't need a microwave, stove, or refrigerator for. Make sure you don't forget the manual can opener. Third, a first aid kit. At a minimum, you'll want a basic kit with bandages and ointment to attend to minor issues. Don't forget medications anyone may take, including your pets. Fourth, flashlights, batteries, and weather radios. Make sure these are in working condition before you need them. Fifth, cash. Stores may not be able to accept credit cards, ATMs may be down, and the banks could be closed. Want to learn more? You're in luck. Our 2022 Hurricane and Safety Expo is Saturday, June 4th at Hernando Park from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. There will be vendors, a meteorologist panel, a kids zone with a touch a truck section, and so much more. Not only do we have some amazing baskets to give away, we'll also be giving one lucky attendee a generator. You must be present to win. We hope to see you there, and remember, #HernandoPrepares. Brought to you by Duke Energy and Hernando County.